Ever suffered from a painful sunburn? Aloe vera, a staple in many households, offers a soothing solution. Apply the gel either directly from the plant or a store-bought product onto the sunburned area. Experience the cooling relief of aloe vera. Did you know that green tea can be a sunburn soother too? Green tea is rich in anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate sunburn discomfort. Imagine brewing a strong cup, letting it cool, then gently applying it to your sunburn with a clean cloth. Feel the calming effects of green tea on your sunburn. Have you ever thought of using lavender oil for sunburn relief? Lavender oil, a natural anti-inflammatory, can assist in reducing redness and pain. Dilute a few drops in a carrier oil, then gently apply to the sunburned area. Indulge in the soothing fragrance and healing properties of lavender oil. Shea butter is not just for luxurious skincare. It's a natural moisturizer with anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for soothing sunburn. After your skin has cooled, apply it to the affected area, letting your skin drink in the nourishment. Experience the nourishing and healing effects of shea butter on your sunburn. What about cooling down your sunburn with cucumber? Cucumbers are known for their soothing and cooling properties. Just slice a cold cucumber and gently place the slices on the sunburned area. Feel the refreshing relief of cucumber on your sunburn. So, there you have it, 5 home remedies to soothe your sunburn. We've explored the nourishing benefits of shea butter, the cooling relief of aloe vera, the healing power of green tea, the soothing properties of lavender oil, and the calming effects of cucumber. Each remedy is simple to apply and offers a natural solution to sunburn. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Keep exploring natural ways to heal and stay healthy.